Alright, this is a video for how to replace the screen on a Toshiba Satellite C55-A5300. As you can see, the screen on the Toshiba is shot, so we're going to replace it today. To disassemble your Toshiba, you're going to need a very small Phillips screwdriver. These are the ones that I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is shut down the computer. We're just going to hold down the power button until it shuts off completely, and then we're going to turn it over and remove the battery from the back. Turn it over, remove the battery from the back, and set it aside. And then we're going to open it up, and you'll see down in the lower two corners of the screen there's two small screws. You're going to remove those. Now the next step is to take off the bezel that's around the screen. So we're just going to pry that away from the screen, starting on the side and just kind of working our way around. Then at the bottom, just be careful that the bezel is around the hinges on the screen. So there we go. Just be careful as you remove that. You want to remove these two smallest screws at the bottom. You need to remove in the hinge. Might be kind of, you need a very skinny screwdriver to get to those. Now there's two screws at the top. Okay, now your screen should be free and from the back case. And now you're going to remove the screen from the mount. There's three tiny screws on the side that you're going to remove. Once you have that removed, just lay the screen down. Be very careful because the back of the laptop is only attached with wires at this point. And then you're going to remove the very small connector there. Just remove that very carefully. You're just going to pull back on that. Actually, it's stuck down a little bit. Unstick that and then just wiggle it back and forth just a little bit and it should come free. Okay. And now the old screen is removed. Now we're going to take the new screen. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to just set the screen down and then we're going to do everything in reverse order here. We're going to plug it in. And you'll hear a little click when it is into place. And we'll stick that down. Okay. Then we're going to set the screen and align it in the brackets. Okay, now that that is done, now we're going to get the back case up there, and then we'll grab those large screws that are holding the top in. We'll put those in first, hold the screen in place. We need to get the frame in. We're going to just peel off the protective screen, or the protective plastic that's on this new screen. Okay. Now we're going to replace the bezel. We're going to snap it in at the bottom first. Go around, work your way to the top. Alright. Snap on the bottom there. There we go. Okay. Alright, now that's on. Now we just have the last two screws to put in on the bottom two corners. Now we just need to put the battery in. Okay, now we're going to start it up. That looks a lot better.